Dear students, do you find difficulty in understanding the topic? Don't you have enough questions for practice? Do you use multiple books to read theory and practice questions? If yes, then we have answer to all of your problems. Complete Study, a topic-wise textbook, can fulfill all your needs. In this video, we will explain the features, benefits, and advantages of Complete Study. Complete Study is a topic-wise textbook for class 9th Social Science, published by Sahitya Bhavan. This book is as per the latest CBSE syllabus and based on NCERT. Now, the question is, why should we choose Complete Study? Because it covers complete theory, complete questions answers, and complete self-assessment. Let's look at the features of the book. Syllabus has been given in the book for ready reference. The book is divided into 4 subjects: history, geography, political science, and economics. A chapter has been divided into subgroups. The benefit is it will help you to focus on each topic. The advantage is if every topic is understood well, then you can answer any question and achieve higher marks in exams. The next feature is checkpoint. These checkpoints are given after every topic. The benefit is it will help you to know how well you have understood the topic. The next feature is important terms. The benefit is it covers important terms from exam point of view. The advantage is it will help you to score high marks in multiple choice questions or very short answer type questions. The next feature is chapter at a glance. It covers important details of the chapter in a mind map format. The benefit is it helps in organizing new information. The next feature is chapter compendium. The benefit is it covers important aspect of the chapter. The advantage is quick revision of the chapter. The next feature is NCERT exercises. These solved NCERT questions will enhance your knowledge, which is an added advantage to achieve higher marks in exams. Enough solved questions have been given after every chapter, like multiple choice questions, very short answer type questions, short answer type questions, and long answer type questions. The benefit is practice brings perfection. You can answer any question in exams, which is an advantage for higher marks. Extra unsolved questions have been given for self-assessment. Self-assessment questions will help you to know how well you have understood the chapter, which is an advantage for higher marks. In the section of history, a separate feature of dateline has been provided. It covers important dates given in the chapter from exam point of view. A separate section of map work has also been given in the book. It covers all the important maps from relevant sections such as history and geography. As per the syllabus, separate section of project work has also been given. Complete Study is the best book for you. The book is available in 2 formats, printed book and ebook. You can buy online from our website www.sahityabhavan.co.in or Amazon or Flipkart. To buy this book, you can also scan this code. For any query, you can call us at 89585 You can also WhatsApp at 89585 You can also email us at buyer@sahityabhavan.co.in.